Hey everybody! Happy Memorial Day weekend to all of you. I hope you were enjoying this long weekend with your friends and family. So in honor of Memorial Day, I thought we would do a patriotic craft. So today we're going to do something patriotic in honor of Memorial Day. If you are new to my videos, I am Sandra Fellers and I am so glad that you're here. If you are a returning watcher, thank you for coming back and joining me again. I truly do appreciate it. But I don't want to take up too much of your time because I know you guys have things to do. So let's get down to business and see what we have going on today for a craft. So I'm going to start by turning my camera down so that you can see my workspace. So today we're going to be starting with this piece of wood that I already have, and I had already painted it white. You can use just any old acrylic crafting paint. So I thought it would be fun to put something on here in red, white, and blue, and then maybe add some embellishments or something like that. So I went through my transfers and I found this fireworks transfer, which I thought might be fun to add. And then I thought we could put the letters USA on there in another color, and then maybe some little embellishments or something like that. So that's what I've got planned. Let's see if it works out that way. But to get started, what we're going to do is we are going to start with this fireworks transfer, and it's from Chalk Couture. I will leave you the link in the comment section or in the description. I'm going to start by removing the backer paper to this transfer and just setting it aside. And then I'm going to place my fireworks on here. I'm trying to decide, I think I want a little bit of all three. I'm not sure. Do I just want a big one? Decisions. All right, so let's start with Candy Apple Red. So this is Candy Apple Red, Chalk Couture Chalkology Paste. And it is a nice yogurt-like consistency, which is exactly what we want. And I'm going to use a mini squeegee. So I'm just going to load up some of this red on here, and then I'm going to start going over this largest firework. Like this. Until the entire area is covered, and then I'm going to come back and remove any excess chalk paste so that when I lift my transfer I have a nice even finish. So let's see what that looks like so far. Oops, I got some on my finger. All right. So reveal number one. This is always fun. Ta-da! There we go. So that's our first firework. And I'm just going to use my hairdryer to dry it really quickly because I want to layer it with another one. that aside. And next, let's apply one of these smaller ones, like so. And we're gonna do that one in the Blue Jay. So we have Blue Jay, stirring it up. We have a really nice consistency. Toss that aside. I'm gonna get a new squeegee so that we don't get red blended in with our blue. And then I'm gonna go over this one. See how this looks. I think it's gonna be pretty darn cute. Have you guys started decorating for Memorial Day and 4th of July and all of those fun patriotic holidays that we have coming up? I'm really bad, and I kind of haven't. Even though I've been working from home, I have been working. So I haven't taken the time to do it, but I'm hoping that this craft is going to get me in the mood to get my stuff out and put my red, white, and blue out, because I just love my patriotic decor. All right, let's see what this one looks like. Layered over the red. Look at that. See how much better it looks with the blue and the red versus just one color? Look at this. That's adorable. Beautiful fireworks. So now I want to dry that again because we are going to be layering it over with the letters. Okay, that's good. All right, so now we want to figure out where we're going to put our letters. I think something like that, maybe over a little bit further. I want to leave a little bit of room over here to add a little something. So I think I'm going to do something like that, where the U is right on top of where the two connect. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to remove it from the backer paper. Set that aside, and then we just need to place it on our board. I think right there. Let's see. I think we can go ahead and do all three of them. So we have our S. And I do realize that these letters are backwards, and the reason for that is that I have my camera in selfie mode recording here so that I can see if I'm in the frame, and I can see if you have questions popping up and things like that. So let's just try to line these up the best. Oops. How's that look? I think that's going to be pretty cute. So the fireworks are going to be in the background and the lettering is going to be in the foreground. And we are going to do it in our black velvet. So I just need to stir this guy up and grab another squeegee. And we're going to do all the lettering in black, because I think that is going to show up best with the firework background. So this time I'm going to go ahead and use a small squeegee. It's a little larger than the mini one we were using before. And I'm going to do the same process. I'm going to go over each letter. Make sure that the entire screened area is covered. And then we're going to remove the excess. Okay, so coming back, removing the excess quickly. We want to work kind of quickly because we don't want our chalk to dry in the screen, because then when you lift up the transfer, it's going to pull up the chalk with it. Okay, let's see what this looks like. USA. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'm telling you, you guys, I love red, white, and blue patriotic items. So this is what we have so far. So now we have this empty space over here, and I want to add a little something. So let me dry this really quick. Go. So once the chalk turns from a semi-gloss finish to a matte finish, you know that it is dry. So I just want to put the lid on my black so it doesn't dry out. And then we are ready to add a little bit of embellishment onto the end over here. What I thought I would use is, I have this twine. I have a natural color twine. And then I have this navy twine that I haven't used yet, but I thought it would be really cute for this project. Twine is super popular these days, and the fun part is finding the end of it, right? I never know. Are you supposed to pull this from the inside or the outside of the ball? I have no idea, but here's an end right here, so we're going with the outside. Put that back in there. See, this one I had coming from the inside. That's probably totally wrong, but I don't see an end. Oh, here it is. Okay, now I've got it. Alrighty, so I think I'm just going to maybe wrap it around a couple of times and tie it off, and I think that's going to show up pretty nicely. So let me just cut some off, and I am not measuring, I am just guessing about how much I'm going to need. So let's wrap this around a bit and see what it looks like. I want to leave a little bit to tie off loose. Now, crafting is trial and error. Please don't be afraid to try new things, even if you know they're not going to work, or if you're not sure they're going to work. So I'm just wrapping this around until I have a tail to tie with this end. And I'm going to tie it in a knot to secure it. trim these ends a bit. And then just kind of straighten this out to where it's positioned where I want it to be. And there you have it. What do you guys think? I think I like it a lot, and I hope you like it too. I will put the links in the description of most of the products that I used here today, other than like the piece of wood. It was just a regular scrap wood. If you have some scrap wood laying around, or you can run down to your local hardware store and purchase a piece of wood and cut it into pieces or whatever for whatever size that you want. So there we go. Another happy little craft, and I love it, and I'm going to find a special place for it in my home so that I can display it, and I will take a picture and post it for you guys so that you can see it as well, and you won't be looking at it backwards in the picture, I promise. So this has been really fun. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you will join me again for my next craft video. I do them typically every Sunday. So I hope to see you back again next Sunday. And in the meantime, have a great, great day. Enjoy your Memorial Day, and bless you all.